If you are wondering why your iPhone screen turns off after a couple of seconds or a minute, then this video is for you, because here I'm going to show you how to make it so your phone doesn't turn off at all. So if you're using iPhone, this is basically for you. You'll learn how you can make your iPhone not to turn off. The screen is going to remain active unless you go ahead and press the side button. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to make it so your phone doesn't turn off, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Now, once you selected display and brightness, you want to scroll down, locate auto lock. Then under auto lock, if your iPhone screen is set to 30 seconds, then the iPhone screen is going to lock after 30 seconds and the full screen will go dim. So this is going to look like the iPhone screen is turned off, but if you double tap on the iPhone screen again or you press the side button, this is going to wake the iPhone and you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode. However, if you want to make it so that your iPhone does not turn off at all while the screen remains active, whether you're using it or not, all you just need to do is come down to auto lock here and make sure you select never. Now once you set this to never, you can just hit the back button or exit the page, and henceforth your iPhone screen will never go dim or turn off. So that is basically all you need to do to make your iPhone screen never go off. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.